homemade recipe. We're gonna be using some red onion, some avocado, minced garlic, salt and pepper, lime juice, and some cilantro from our hydroponic tower. So the first thing we're gonna do is pit our avocados. So if you've never done this before, you're gonna hold the avocado in your hand and you do need a sharp knife. You gotta be really careful because you don't want your knife to slip and slice your hand. So I'm gonna start by just inserting my knife right there into my avocado. There's a big pit on the inside. I'm gonna slide my knife all the way around that pit. So now I've got a cut in there and I'm gonna twist the two halves and open them up. Now to get the pit out, you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna smack it into that pit, twist, and out comes your seed. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my next avocado now. Now I'm gonna put my avocado into my bowl. When I do this, I just squeeze the skin on the outside because it really doesn't need to be too pretty because we are going to be smashing this up for guacamole. Right, next up is our red onion, which is actually purple. So we're just gonna cut off a part of it and I'm gonna remove the outside skin. Put that off to the side. And then we are going to dice this. Remember to always keep your fingers back from your knife. Okay. And we're looking for a 1/4 cup here. I'm gonna go ahead and go over this one more time so there's not two big pieces in there. Next up is our cilantro. So a lot of people don't like the taste of cilantro because they think it tastes soapy, but that's just actually something that a percentage of people don't really like it. But today we are going to add some delicious cilantro. So I'm gonna remove it from the stems like this. So you just take a sprig of it and just pull those leaves off. Once you have all the leaves removed from the stems, you're just gonna grab it and kind of give it a light roll. Roll like that, and then you're gonna take your knife and just kind of bounce through there. Remember to pull your fingers back. Maybe one across the top. There you go. We're gonna add this. Next up, we're gonna add our lime juice. So I'm just going to slice through this lime. And I'm just gonna squeeze it directly into there. Limes typically don't have seeds or many seeds, so I'm not really worried about getting seeds in there. And what's great about lime juice is it stops the avocado from oxidizing itself and turning brown. So that's one of the great reasons to add lime to your guacamole. And if you make this ahead of time, you can squeeze lime on top and that'll keep it from turning brown. Next up is our garlic. So we cheated and bought some minced garlic ahead of time, and it says on the label that 1/2 teaspoon equals 1 clove of garlic. So I am just gonna scoop that and drop that in. We're gonna add a little salt and pepper. And then using a fork, we're going to mash up the avocado. Okay, once you've used your fork and you've smashed your avocado as much as you like it, I like mine a little bit chunky and we're gonna be using this on some tacos later. So once you get it to the consistency that you like, you are gonna add in the onion. And that's optional too. If you don't really like onion, you can leave it out, but it really kicks it up a notch. And then you slightly then blend it all together. And there you go, you have some delicious homemade guacamole.